Hello people, welcome back. Today we'll be doing a unboxing for OnePlus Bud Pro earbuds, truly wireless. Here we have the box. Now let's unbox it and see what's inside. Let me do it quickly and all. And here it is. And there's the buds. There, let me pick it up. Here you see. Let me unwrap it first. Here. Let me just put it aside and see what else is there in the box. There's OnePlus logo, and let me just put it aside and see. Here I think these are some documentations, standard. Nobody reads them basically, but you have to be there. These are the documentations. Put it aside. Then we have a set of earbuds to open, and let me open it from this side. So basically two different sets, one large and one small sets, and one medium set is already there on the earbuds. And here I think this is the charging cable. It would be a shorter cable, I think. It's a very short cable, but it's a USB-C kind of charging cable. The buds support fast charging as well, so if you have to have a OnePlus phone, it would be easier for you. And there it is, the buds itself. It looks very premium. It's the fit and finish is very nice. Let me just pull it out. Here it is. That's how it looks. It's quite small. It's smaller than the AirPod Pros. And there is the color combination looks good. The black and the metallic silver thing looks very good. Now we have a OnePlus phone in here, so let us see how to connect. So once we open it, the phone detects that the earbuds are there. Here you have to accept, and then you have to select device location and all. See, just press connect and it is connected. It's very similar to what experience you get in the AirPod Pros and the Apple ecosystem. It is a nice touch. It feels nice. And there we are, it is done. We will have a review coming out soon. Thank you guys.